Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Khan, and I would like to ask you that is it allowed in our religion for women to use media for the propagation of Islam? Because some of our scholars don't allow us to record audio cassettes and bring back home so that maybe make our husbands listen and all that. And is it allowed or not? And how can we convince them? Thank you.
The sister has asked the question that can Muslim women take part in media to convey the message or to fight against the evil, etc. And according to us, some scholars have been fatwa it's haram. The sister, certain things surely is halal. You can write articles which no scholar will say it's haram. You can write articles, whether in the newspapers, whether on the internet. Surely certain things you can surely take part. As far as the print media is concerned, as far as the audio media is concerned, the difference of opinion. Some scholars say yes, some scholars say no. But normally the voice doesn't come in the aura of the woman. But natural, but normally to be effective, you have to modulate your voice. So if you take care that you unnecessarily don't modulate and don't higgle and don't haggle and don't do too much of laughing, etc., most of the scholars say it can be permitted. As far as coming on the television, again, difference of opinion is there, that most of the scholars, they say that women cannot come on the television. There are many scholars who say that if she is in proper hijab, she's covering herself completely and only showing her face and hand up to the wrist, as long as she is not too much complacent in her voice and following the other rules of Sharia, she can be permitted. But the majority of the scholars say no, she can't be allowed to come in front of the television, because the Quran says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 30, say to the believing man that he should lower his gaze and guard his modesty. So based on these verses and other hadith, the scholars are divided. But recently, last year, the top Salaf scholars, Salafi scholars, like Sheikh Nasr al-Awad, out in Saudi Arabia, and I was shocked that he also gave permission that a woman, if she is properly dressed, even though she is not in niqab, because niqab is not a fard in Islam. Though some scholars say yes, but according to Sheikh Nasr al-Albani, etc., niqab covering the face is not fard in Islam. But today many scholars, not majority, yet there are few. In numbers there are many, but in percentage there are few. Good scholars have given the fatwa, like Sheikh Nasr al-Awad in Saudi Arabia, that because of the media, we should permit women to come in the television. But even today, the opinion is divided. Majority of the scholars today say that yet a woman should not come on the television, because it would be against the verse of the Quran, Surah Nur, chapter 24, verse number 30, where a man is supposed to lower the gaze. So if she comes on the television, there are mahram watching the television, so she cannot come. So the opinion is divided, sister. Whichever you feel is more closer, you can take your choice. Hope that answers the question.
Jazakallah.